Hi, welcome to the BlackBerry Playbook. Just a quick demonstration of the cool things you can do with the BlackBerry Playbook. So let me just enter my password and get straight into it. So as you can see, it's got a very fluid multitasking menu bar, a bay area. So let me just close all the running applications now to give you an idea of how many apps it can actually run, and it's quite a fair bit. Well, the standard apps are really what's shown over here, and you can scroll up and you can see what's actually available now. And then on the top over here you have your different settings and your indicators. You've got your Bluetooth, you've got your Wi-Fi, and then of course you've got your battery indicator, as well as all the settings. And then again, among settings you can move down and you can set up what exactly you want to do, configure your playbook. So let's get into the internet browser. Now I think I might be connected. So when you launch the internet browser, you get your bookmarks page. So let's go to the best of the web, and that's like really where the BlackBerry recommended sites are. So just for the sake of showing you how it actually renders, let's go to mtv.com, and that's a pretty heavy site, and I think it does a pretty decent job of showing the respective content. Now what is kind of interesting is that, well, you have Flash does work very well, and I've actually even tried this in Facebook, the Flash games in Facebook. You can actually even play that. So let's see whether there's any videos. So let's go click on that one, and hopefully the video will launch and probably render itself. I assume this is Flash, if not it's HTML5. Now the interesting thing is that there are actually two stereo speakers, and I must say, among all the mobile devices which I've actually seen, the stereo speakers over here are probably one of the best I've seen in any device till now. So, well, looks like the video is loading up, albeit a bit slow. So it's connecting, and oh, we're unable to offer this video to users in your region. Sorry boys, I'm in Asia, so unfortunately I can't actually do this. Anyway, so let me just get out of the browser. Oh, let me just go back to the browser. And even in the browser, if you want to see your settings, you just drag it down and you can see the different browser settings, etc. If you want to close it, you go back on top. Let me just show you some videos. And I'm going to increase the volume over here so you can actually see something. Now let me just pull up a video on a DivX video, and you should be able to see that it's pretty good quality. And we pump up the audio. And now to show you how fast it actually catches up, I'm just gonna drag.
Dart gun, not okay. Oh, yes, because I was wondering.
You see that? Now, isn't that pretty slick? You drag and it's very, very responsive. And now, through multitasking, so it's running the application in the background, and while we're actually moving across the app. So this setting of multitasking is something that you can actually choose to either pause the application or have it running in the background. Right now, I think you found that quite useful. We'll go back to videos and go back to now seeing something else. So for example, the tourist. So that's another.
I am sorry I got you involved in all this.
Why are you involved in all this?
So I think that shows you pretty much how it goes. Now I'll show you some recorded videos using the front camera, which is 5 megapixel. So that's like right at the back, and that's a 5 megapixel camera. Lovely BlackBerry logo. Anyway, 5 megapixel. It does an amazing job. So let me just pull that. This is the BlackBerry Playbook, recording in 1080p. Using the rear camera. This is the skyline from my apartment in Hong Kong, and I must say that the video is very, very clear. Now going back again, if I go to the music section, I mean music, you just drag and drop your files. So I'm just gonna go to some albums. I've got some 80s classic music. Obviously it's got your album art and all that kind of stuff, but you can actually pull it all back. And again, the music quality is pretty good. And again, so again, we close that by stroking it up, and there you go. So there are a lot of new apps which have come out of late. Obviously, the built-in productivity apps are, the ones which does the Office, Word to Go, Sheet to Go, Slideshow, Adobe Reader. A lot of these, the YouTube apps, all native standard apps. There's got a music store for North America, and of course there's a native Facebook app as well, which is quite handy. You can have your different clocks and all that stuff. Then there's got the BlackBerry app world as well, through which you can go in and buy your different applications. Yeah. So yes, so that's really it. Hope you guys found this useful. I really like this fluid look and feel. Enjoy. Thank you.